A sudden change in your credit score is a major red flag. Let's look at how Identity Defender acts as your financial early warning system. Under the Credit tab, you can track your score and its full history to see exactly how it's trending. But we don't just show you the score. More importantly, we monitor for the why behind the changes. If a new account is opened or a public record appears that could impact your standing, you'll get a full alert with the full context. With credit alerts, you get real-time notifications about your credit activities. This helps to catch signs of identity theft early, so you can take action and protect yourself. By clicking the Credit Protection button, you'll find step-by-step guides on exactly how to freeze your credit, including the direct numbers to call. Everything you need to lock down access to your finances is right there in one central place. For a deeper dive, you can select the Credit Report button for a monthly overview of your activities, or tap Credit Score Details for a full breakdown of any factors negatively impacting your score. It's the ultimate tool to help you stay ahead of the trends and keep your financial health in your own hands.